Hello, my name is Ed Faber and I am the chess librarian. Welcome to my station. In this lesson, we will look at 3 quick checkmates and learn the touch move rule. The book I'm using is called Chess: Lessons from a Grandmaster. I have 2 goals. The first is to get as many people interested in the game of chess, and the second, if I make any money, I will donate it all to ST Judies Hospital and Breast Cancer Association. So please subscribe. In this lesson, we will look at 3 quick checkmates and learn the touch move rule. Fool's mate. The fastest checkmate in chess can happen in 2 moves. F3. E5, G4, Queen, H4, check, checkmate. The touch move rule is used in all chess tournaments. If you touch a piece and it is illegal to move it, you have to move it. If you touch one of your opponent's pieces and you can legally capture it, you have to capture it. If you move an illegal move and you can legally move or capture the piece that you touched, you have to move it. If you move a piece and then you let your hand go of that piece, the move is complete. Scholar mate. One of the quickest checkmates in chess is called the scholar mate. In the scholar mate, white attacks black f7 pawn with his queen and bishop, and then captures the pawn with his queen, checkmating black in only 4 moves. E4, E5, Queen H5, Knight C6, Bishop C4, Knight F6, Queen times F7, check, checkmate. In lesson 6, we learned about the fool's mate, the touch move rule, and the scholar's mate. The fool's mate is the fastest checkmate in chess. The touch move rules need to be followed at all times and can result in unfortunate losses. The scholar's mate should never be played in a game because the defender can get into a much better position. Remember, chess is played with the mind and not with the hand. See you on my next video, lesson 7.